Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this clasp for your bracelets, necklaces. You can make them yourself, so you need not worry to buy from outside. Goes like this. Okay, and it is very easy, so I am going to tell you how to make. We need, this is a 20 gauge copper wire, 5 inches long, 2 pieces of 5 inches each. Okay, this is 5 inches. First of all, I am going to make this clasp, the hook shape. Measure the wire at 1.5 inches. Hold it like this, and this is our 1.5 inches. Hold the wire like so at this is 1.5 inches, and fold it like this. This is what we get. Now just press it very slowly so that you don't crush it too much, like this. Okay, so it comes parallel and close to each other. Now what we need to do is, just where this folded wire ends, I am going to hold. Now this is totally up to you how big you want this loop to be, this one. If you want it to be bigger, you can hold it from the bigger part. I am going to hold it at the middle of my round nose plier. Hold it like this and bend it to 90 degrees. This is what we get. And now I am going to bend it full 360 degrees like this, like this. So this is what we get now. Okay, and now we will take this chain nose plier, hold this loop, hold this loop like this, and bend this wire around this double wire like this. Pull it tight, and just remember that when you are rolling it around this wire, the loops should not be overlapping. So very slowly, very gently go on coiling it around this wire. Okay, so as you can see, I have made 3 rounds, and that is good enough. So I am going to cut off the extra wire. I am using this nail cutter as a wire cutter. It is very helpful and very efficient in cutting wire. Now with this chain nose plier, I am going to just push this extra point inside. Okay, so now this is what we get. Now as you can see that this loop is bending towards one side, but we want it to be in the center. So just put this round nose plier into it like this, and holding this part very tightly, just bend it a little bit, okay, like this. So it comes in kind of in the center. Okay, and now it is time to bend it like a hook. Hold it a bit off center towards the loop, this loop. This is not half, and you can also bend it on a pencil or something, and then just push it towards each other like this. Okay, and now with the help of a chain nose plier, I'm just going to bend the tip outwards like this so that you can use it easily. And here we have this very easy but very efficient. If you want to give this part a bit of a shape, just push it backwards, and here you have this hook, and just adjust it if you have to. So this is one part done. Now I'm going to show you how to make this circle loop. Again, I'm going to take a 5-inch piece and leave around 1 inch or less than that, like this. Okay, this is 1 inch. I'm going to hold it like this and hold the wire just at the end of 1 inch. And now I'm going to fold this bigger side like this. Okay, make one full turn, and we need 2 full turns. You can also do it on a pencil or anything round. So as you can see, we have 2 full rounds. The wire should be like this. Okay. Now, holding this very tightly, I am going to cross these 2 wires like this. And now, holding it absolutely close to the circle, bend this wire outwards, and exactly at the same place I'm going to bend this wire outwards so that these both pieces are parallel to each other. Okay. Once this is done, I'm going to leave a little bit of space over here like this. Okay, and this is the space which we will require for this coiling around. So once you have this, hold the bigger wire, the longer one, and fold it like this. Like this. Make it like this. Bring both the wires together. With practice you will be able to make absolutely perfect loops. I am sure the first instance you won't be able to make it absolutely perfect. I am also not that perfect right now. I am trying my best. So like hold this loop with the chain nose plier and start turning this long wire on this, like this. Once you have 2 or 3 rounds sufficient, I'm going to again cut it off, cut the extra wire, and also this one, just bend it a bit outwards so that you have space to cut it off. And now we need to pull this side so that the loop comes in the center, like this. Just put your round nose plier into this loop and press it from all sides so that the 2 circles sit side by side. So I hope you have understood. You just need to practice it, make a few, and I'm sure you will be able to make nice clasps like this. This one, and then this one. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Go ahead, make clasps for your bracelets and your necklaces, and it's very easy, friends. You just need to practice. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, support my channel, share it with your friends, family, and all your friends who love to do DIY projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.